Alright, let's dive into how Dong-A ENC's tech totally rescues clogged Scania DPFs.
It always starts like this, right? A heavy-duty Scania rolling in for some much-needed maintenance.
And there it is, the dreaded error 9263. That means we've got a severely choked DPF filter.
So what actually happens to your engine when that filter gets completely packed with soot?
To find out, we hook up Dong-A ENC's DBMS 200 system to perfectly diagnose the damage.
Wow, the initial data is staggering. We're looking at a massive 18.2 millibars of back pressure here.
That's literally 451% higher than a brand new filter. Just absolutely insane blockage.
And here's the visual proof. Look at this completely blackened, soot-clogged inlet. No wonder it was failing.
But here is the ultimate fix. Dong-A ENC's DPF 100 ash cleaning system to the rescue. After cleaning, the results are dramatic. Back pressure plummets down to an incredible 3.7 millibars, meaning this restored filter is now running at just 12% above brand new factory efficiency. Just look at this comparison. An undeniable, massive drop from 18.2 right down to 3.7.
These side-by-side screens give us the real-world proof. Airflow is completely restored, straight from the source. And visually, it's night and day. We go from a filthy inlet to a beautifully pristine surface.
Even the outlet confirms a super deep clean. The Dong-A ENC system leaves literally no ash behind.
So the big takeaway here, schedule a DPF cleaning every 200 to 300,000 kilometers.
Which leaves us with one final question. Is your fleet really maintaining this level of peak efficiency?